Hey guys, I'm Alden.
And I'm Kevin.
We're here at Freedom Boat Club of Wilmington at our Carolina Beach location, and we are about to take out our Sailfish 232 and go see some of the best boating sites in Wilmington. So come along with us. Check 1, 2, 3. Kevin, your hair looks crazy coming out of that hat. Okay, so we're here at Dockside in Wrightsville Beach. It's a super popular spot to dock and dine. Great drinks, great food. We're gonna talk a little bit about docking etiquette and best practices. So Kevin, what would you say your first tip for docking is?
The first tip for docking for me is always going as slow as you want to hit the dock. It's
Definitely.
always good to have a first mate to help you push off the dock. You always want to come in at an angle and go really slow and use your reverse to get close to the dock.
Yep, I think that's the key, is go as slow as you are willing to hit something. So you're never gonna go wrong. Keep it in neutral, punch in, punch back if you need to. And of course, if you're new to it, it's really helpful to have an extra set of hands either on the dock or on the boat to help you with the lines and just making sure you're being as safe as possible. We're here at Dockside. Noelle just met us here with this Sea Ray 210 SPX. So we're gonna take this gal and head over to Trolley Stop and grab a hot dog. So come along with us.
All right, you guys, we just finished up with Trolley Stop hot dogs. Now we're gonna head over to Mason Burrow Island and see what's out there for us.
Okay guys, we're here at Mason Burrow Island. This is one of the most popular spots in the Wilmington area to go boating. For a lot of reasons, there's so many places along the beach here to anchor up, bring your friends and family. What else is cool about Mason Burrow, Kevin?
Mason Burrow you can only get to by boat, so it's really private, really nice place to bring your friends and family for an awesome day on the water.
Yeah, definitely. And then also Mason Burrow has a couple reserves, so a lot of different times of the year there will be protection areas for birds and other wildlife, so please make sure you respect that. Thanks for coming on this boat tour with us today around Wilmington. We really appreciate you guys watching. If you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Anything else, Kev?
Yeah, hit Trolley Stop up. They have really great hot dogs.
You heard it here first. Ready? Let's go.